This video will show you how to correctly replace an individual click-lock plank without having to uninstall your entire floor. Let's get started. First, we'll begin by removing the damaged plank. Use a ruler or any straight edge to draw a line down the center of the damaged plank. Next, use your straight edge to draw two 45-degree lines from the corner of the damaged plank to the center line. Repeat on the opposite side to make two triangles at each end of the plank. Before you start to cut, use an extra plank as a gauge to set your saw blade to the correct depth to avoid damaging your subfloor. Carefully cut along the center line of the damaged plank. Be sure to adjust the depth of the cut so you only cut through the plank and not into your subfloor. Be sure to clean up any debris as you go. Use your utility knife to cut along the triangles at each end of the plank, being careful to not damage your subfloor. Clean up any debris as you go. Wedge a small chisel or blade under the center line and carefully pry up both halves of the damaged plank and the two triangles at each end. Remove the lock from the long and short edges of the surrounding planks with a sharp chisel or knife. Be sure to clean up any loose debris as you go. Now, it's time to install your replacement plank. Prepare the replacement plank by first removing the lock on the long and short sides. Use your utility knife to cut off the corner where the two grooved edges meet. Before you apply any glue, it's a good idea to practice inserting the replacement plank to ensure a perfect fit and to keep the process smooth and hassle-free when it comes time to actually install. When you're ready, apply a thin coating of adhesive that's made for your type of flooring to all of the exposed edges of the planks surrounding the space where your replacement plank will be installed. Then, apply the adhesive that's made for plank-style flooring to the groove side of the replacement plank. Align the cut corner first, and then carefully drop the replacement plank into position. If necessary, use a rubber mallet on the long and short sides of your replacement plank to gently tap it into place. Hand roll and apply gentle pressure to your replacement plank for secure adhesion. Immediately remove any excess adhesive by using a soft cloth to wipe up any extra left on the plank and around it. Once your area is clean, your installation is complete and your floor is ready to be walked on once more. Questions? Contact us at support@flooret.com.